Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing great. This video was shot on a random day to share a few glimpses of how my routine is with my newborn who is already in his 4th month. Days and months are moving so quickly that I'm already missing those initial days of him. But my schedule has become so busy that I have no minute to waste. Thankfully, I have someone to help me with cooking and cleaning, but for breakfast, I have to make it myself for me and my family. Every day, it's always very simple and something quick because I have no time to prepare a dish that needs a lot of time, or else it will be incomplete as my baby will wake up anytime. Luckily, these days he sleeps well in the morning. Now in this video, I couldn't show my elder boys leaving for school, and I didn't know if I'll be able to shoot any time because that time of the day is always hectic. And that is how my 5 a.m. routine starts. I need to wake them up, prepare tiffin and send them off. In between, taking the camera out and vlogging feels impossible. If you have been following me for some time, you will know ATP when I had published a video on my weight loss transformation. And this video is not sponsored. I have rejoined ATP to restart my healthy lifestyle. They don't restrict too much on the diet because I'm a lactating mother. I'm still eating how much I used to, except that I have cut off sugar, red meat, maida and fried stuff. I have included greens in all my meals, and to say in other words, I have started eating a much more healthy meal now. Leon was still asleep, so I had enough time to clean the kitchen and for some more tasks. I do have a routine every day I follow, and not all days are the same. As I said, he sleeps quite well in the morning. Then, in between, he wakes up to be fed and goes back to sleep again. So, in that time, I have my breakfast, clean the kitchen, and then do some laundry. And it's mainly his laundry. I wash his clothes almost daily as he needs to be changed a couple of, or maybe more times a day. I have assignments to be finished and submitted by the end of next month, so I make use of my time to finish it. Assignments have to be done by ourselves and it has to be in our own words, so I have already made a rough writing on my laptop. All I need to now do is just to copy in the paper with my handwriting. Digital assignments aren't allowed, so I need to write, which is a time consuming task. Most of the days Leon sleeps till at least till 10. Some days he goes up to 12, so I have time for everything. As soon as he wakes up, I feed him and then have some fun time with him. And it will extend to almost 1 hour. And before his next nap time, I need to bath him. I massage his body with coconut oil, and this one is from Ayurvedic hospital. That's the Coimbatore Ayurvedic hospital I had gone to do my postpartum care. The playmat I had ordered didn't arrive by this time, but nowadays I use that. Earlier, to massage him, I spread this sheet on the bed to avoid oil stains, and again spread another small sheet to place him on it. On some days, I keep everything ready before applying oil on him. And on some days, especially when I know he is in a good mood to lie some time with oil applied, I keep everything ready while he is lying down. Earlier, when my parents were with us, my mom used to apply oil from the changing table, but that time I was there to change everything while he's taking a shower. Now that I have to do it all alone, I keep the changing table ready for him before giving him a shower. Soon later, after being fed, he goes back to a nap again. Now by this time it was my mid-morning snack time, which is most of the time a milkshake. Normally, soon after I put him to sleep, I take a shower, but today I was feeling a bit hungry, so had the milkshake and then quickly got ready after showering. Only later then I will clean the room that had become a mess because it takes a little time and I don't want him to wake up before I take a shower. Then going back to my assignments work. His after shower nap is not as long as how much he sleeps in the morning, so he woke up and by that time his brothers were back from school. I'm truly blessed to have my boys grown up. and that they can handle the daily tasks on their own, and it's of great help to me. The laundry folding and such can be done while he is awake, but assignment works I need to focus, so I do that only when he sleeps. Lian is growing up so fast that I keep checking the dresses that we had got as gifts, which were not the newborn baby dresses. Many of those will almost fit him. So I took out those to have some space for the other stuff. Dinner was rice rotis and beef curry. As I was asked to avoid red meat, I quickly made a very simple chicken curry for myself. It's very simple that it doesn't have any special ingredients to make it extraordinary. It's just the usual onion, tomato, ginger, garlic and some spice powders. For the evening snack, I took a glass of lemon juice with a pinch of salt, and it was really refreshing. I had some dry fruits already, which I think I forgot to show in the video because I couldn't resist just having lemon juice. I feel very hungry in between, and that's why I guess my nutritionist has asked me to have something every 2 or 3 hours. I had my dinner, which I had forgotten to take a video again, and an hour later it was workout time. Now, not every day Lian is given a shower before bedtime. If I feel he is feeling uncomfortable, I give him a quick shower with warm water. With a glass of warm yellow milk, my day is complete, and all I need is a good sleep. Along with that, this video comes to an end. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. Stay tuned for my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.